Product ACCESSORIESMULTINETER/packing box/instruction manual/watch pen/temperature line. Remote CONNECTRONACCORDING to the video connection mode. The remote connection can let the other side see your measurement data. Three kinds of multimeters can be connected at the same time for measurement. The resistance measurement can be made by touching both sides of the common resistance with a stylus. The buzzer can make a drop-by-drop beeping sound. The capacitance measurement can be made by touching both sides with a stylus. Temperature NEASURENENTIT is okay to measure the article with electric couple contact. Hertz/Hertz percentage NEASURENENTHORD. The multimeter close to the socket to measure the Hertz value. Double-click the phone screen to zoom in on TH. In measurement value. Threshold SETTINGSFOR example. In the video step, turn the threshold setting at last, and then fill in the number you want to write at the upper limit of the threshold. Alarm threshold. ACVOLTAGEEAN alarm will be sounded when the measurement exceeds the numerical value. 05DETECTRONTHE05 line can be measured by inserting the gauge pen into the SLO. NCV non-contact induction buzzer sound when voltage is sensed. Hertz measurement display. Intelligent fuse POFBUILT in 10A tilde 250B fuse effectively prevent the burner up after replacing the fuse can continue to use.